I'm Sam Kawakami. In this video, I am going to show you how to add content to your OneNote pages. So it's very easy to add a page. Just click Add a Page and give it a title. And that title will then show up here at the top of your new page and also here in the list of pages for that section. Now there are all kinds of types of content you can insert. If you go back to home, you can type something. So you can type content out. And then just like you could in Word, you can make it bold. You can change the color. So bold, I can make it any color I want. Just like you could, and you can make it bigger and smaller. I don't recommend changing the size too much because students can actually zoom in on their devices as well. But you can make certain fonts bigger and smaller to make it easy to see. And if you go to Insert, there's a lot of fun things you can do. You can insert, so I'm going to click out of this box. How OneNote works is it creates these little kind of boxes. And so you can easily freely move those boxes around. So you can build down or you can build out. One problem with OneNote though is that it's not really ideal for printing content. But if I wanted to insert, for example, a table, I could have students, I could post this in the students page and have them be able to type out answers. Or I can make the boxes big enough that they can also handwrite. If they're typing, the boxes will automatically resize. If they're handwriting, they won't. So I can make it really big and long if I want to, however I want to do it. Then you can also insert different types of files. Now I don't recommend inserting just a file. If you insert a file, what they're going to see is the file name and an icon, just like they would in like regular file folders. But the really cool thing you can do in OneNote is you can insert a printout. So if I click on Printout, for example, you can import different types of files. You can import just a PDF. If you import a PDF, what it will give you is it will give you the original PDF file, which could be used for printing, and it will also import a printout of that PDF. You can also import original Word files, Excel files, and PowerPoint files. So for example, if I insert this PowerPoint file, it's going to convert it to a PDF for printout purposes. And then what I will get in my page is I will get the original PowerPoint, which could then be opened and used to play a PowerPoint. I will get a PDF of that PowerPoint and the images. And so then you can also take this image, and this is something that's kind of cool. If you go into Draw, you can highlight things. You can highlight things on the page. And if you're using a tablet or you have some sort of a drawing tool, you can also write. It's a little bit tricky with a mouse. I can't handwrite with a mouse, right? But you can try to handwrite. It's just going to be really bad, right? With a mouse. But if you do it on a tablet or with a writing device, you can handwrite things as well. One thing is that if you're in draw mode, when you finish, you need to go back to text mode. Inserting, you can also insert an audio recording. I think this is really cool. All you have to do is click somewhere in your file where you want the audio file to be saved. Click the audio recording button and start talking. And then when you're done, click stop, and it will automatically save that audio recording right there on the page. You don't have to do anything extra. You can insert images. Something else that you can do, I'm going to create a new test page, I'll call this a video page, just for fun, is that you can insert video. So I have a video, a YouTube video. You can use YouTube videos or videos that are saved in Microsoft Stream, which I'll show in another video. Microsoft Stream, the advantage is that it's secure, it's within the university server, but you have to be careful about permissions. If your permissions are set too tight, you won't be able to view it. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a video link. All you have to do is type in the link, and it'll automatically insert the video. And the really cool thing is that students can watch this video from right inside the OneNote page. They don't have to go to an external web browser or YouTube app to view the video. So that's kind of a nice feature if you want to show a video to the students. And I guess that's really it for content. So you can do all kinds of fun things, and you can make it really visual and interactive here. And it's a lot of fun.